Hi, Tom here, and in this quick Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw a simple perfect circle. First, choose a part of your hand as an anchor, a point where it will touch the paper and not move. Then, place your hand in the middle of your paper, and now move the paper in a circular direction, while at the same time keeping your hand, the whole of your hand, but the single part of your hand, very still. So the part of the hand, the anchor part of the hand that you keep still, is like the center of your circle. And as you place your pen or pencil onto the page, place it onto the page as you've already started moving the paper in a circular direction. And then all you need to do is keep your hand holding the pen or pencil very still from the anchor point, and with your other hand you move the paper to create the circle. Don't try and draw a circle, more try and keep your hand still, and then the circle will appear. I post a new drawing every Saturday. There are now over 280 of my drawing tutorials on my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School. Please subscribe to Circle Line Art School to keep up to date with all the content I make, and please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com, to join my art school online and learn more. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.